Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you planning to travel and need to turn on roaming on your iPhone? Let me show you how to get it done in just a few steps. The first step is to open your settings app. Go to your iPhone setting app and tap on cellular or mobile data depending on your phone and region. Next step is to enable cellular data. Ensure that your cellular data is turned on. Without this, roaming won't work. Next step is to turn on roaming. Tap on cellular data option or mobile data option and switch on data roaming. Next, check roaming setting with your carrier. Some carrier requires special roaming plans. Confirm that roaming is activated on your mobile account to avoid unexpected charges. Next, you monitor your usage. Use settings, then you go to cellular to track your data usage and avoid overcharges while roaming. And that's it, guys. Your iPhone is now ready for roaming. Safe travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.